Subsequent measurement. So clearly what you'd have to do is put this into an amortization table, 5% and down to 0 at the end of T5, so 450 at the start. And you would work out what your interest is, and that's clearly the interest payments that you get. And clearly on the asset you depreciate on a straight line basis, so that's the 319. I mean, I'm saying straight line because that's what in general is going to happen. I mean, if you have a different amortization pattern, you can do that. And so effectively what that means is you're going to have different payments going through. Now just bear in mind, currently under IFRS 17 we're saying this is an operating lease, we'd straight line it and you'd get 350 in each period. So this is where this problems start to arise. So it's the effect of the accounting. So what you have is on your interest charge you have a decreasing profile of the interest expense because it's an amortizing loan. So you've borrowed the most on day one and you've borrowed the least on day end, and so your interest charge comes down reflecting that. Okay, your depreciation is straight line across the top. So when you combine those, the interest and depreciation, what you have is you have a decreasing expense, as opposed to what we have now, which is a straight line expense. IFRS 16 will result in front-ending your expense and then decreasing over time. Now, again, when you think about that from a business perspective, and you think about the profile of those lease payments, that we were increasing, and we do that because we reflect, we don't quite model it on inflation, but that's the way we think about it. So we have increasing lease expenses because our business is growing, hopefully. At very least, it's growing as a result of inflation, maybe. But, you know, effectively you do that, but your expense goes the other way.